Hi there. Most folks think that cerebral palsy is caused during labor and delivery. However, there are many times where in the NICU, that's where the cerebral palsy is caused. Cerebral palsy is really a condition of a brain damage that occurs due to an event. In labor and delivery, there are various reasons why a baby lacks oxygen in a certain way and why a doctor or nurse failed to intervene. However, in the NICU, it's pretty specific as to how brain damage can occur. Typically, it's a failure to monitor. When a baby goes into the NICU, they are already in a very dangerous situation. They are born premature or they were born with some sort of issue due to a stressful situation during labor and delivery. Their brain is fragile. And so it's extremely important for a NICU to be able to monitor that baby and make sure that oxygen levels are at the right amount. Too much oxygen can cause problems. Too little oxygen, of course, can also cause brain damage, and even further brain damage than might have already happened. In addition, bilirubin levels need to be monitored for certain babies that come out with high bilirubin levels and jaundice. Failure to actually review and monitor those levels of either oxygen or bilirubin can cause significant brain damage. Infections and inflammation are also markers that must be watched while in the NICU. NICU errors happen often and they lead to brain damage. And that brain damage can lead to significant cerebral palsy conditions. If you believe that your child suffered cerebral palsy due to a NICU error, then you need to speak to a birth injury lawyer about your rights. My name is Adam Funk, and I happen to be a birth injury attorney, and I would be happy to chat with you about your case.